Alright. Hey guys, today we're going to watch. Wait, I'm just gonna repeat it. Hey guys, today we're going to watch Mother Nature's Daughter. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do Mother Nature's episode 1, episode 2, because in episodes I have to do it every single day. Alright, let's watch. And I wanna show you something, you guys. First thing, I wanna say thank you to, where is she? Really? Where is she? Wait, no, that's from a long time ago. Wait, who is she? Oh, that girl. Oh, there she is. Puppy doggies, slash gotcha, I think. She's so nice. Oh, MJ, I love this. Hater, stop being mean. Exactly. I want your channel. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna subscribe to her channel. Make sure to subscribe to her because I love her. She is my number 1. Alright? Oh. And make sure to subscribe to Fluffy Puff. She's funny and cute. Alright, let's watch. Okay, honey. Don't be afraid.
우리 엄마 매일 내게 말했어 언제나 남자 조심하라고 사랑은 마치
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
불장난 같아서 사치니까 엄마 말이 꼭 맞을지도 몰라 날 보면 내 맘이 뜨겁게 달아올라 두려움보다 널 향한 끌림이 더 크니까 멈출 수 없는 이 떨림은 어린
Let's just ignore you. We'll be. I have no. Okay, I don't understand what he's saying, so.
전부를 세상에 던지고 싶어. Look at me now. 이렇게는 나한테 오고 있어 나.
13 years later, she is 15. I'm 9.
수 없어. 우리 사랑은 불타나. My love is on fire. Now burn, baby, burn. 불타나. My love is on fire. So don't play with me, boy. 불타나. Oh no, 난 이미 멀리 와버려.
I am Freaka. Wait, what? We'll just call her Nature. Hi, I'm.
연든 girl, 어느새 이 모든 게 장난.
Let's just do random names. This is gonna be, what's her name again? We're gonna call her Nature. We're gonna call the Blondie. We'll just call her Blondie and we'll call her Chocolate Hair.
나니 아닌 girl, 사랑이는 빨간 불씨. 불어라 바람 더 커져가는 불길이 약인지 독인지 우리 엄마도 몰라 내 맘 도둑인데 왜.
By the way, Nature's brother has been the school before he's older. Whoa.
경찰도 몰라 불붙은 내 심장이 더 부어라 너는 기름 Kissing while I diss him I know but I miss him 중독을 넘어선 이 사랑은 crack 내 심장의 색깔은 black 멈출 수 없는 이 떨림은 on and on and on 내 전부를 너란 불길 속으로 던지고 싶어 Look at me now 이렇게 넌 나를 태우고 있잖아 그수 없어 우리 사랑은 불타나
Why is she looking
My love is on fire Now burn baby burn
You can be dead. Just about
My
dead.
love is on fire. So don't play with me, boy.
Then they never told that about him.
걷잡을 수가 없는 걸. 너무나 빨리 퍼져가는 이 불길. 이런 날 멈추지 마. 사랑이 오늘 밤을 태워버리게.
Okay guys, I gotta end right here. I'm sure tomorrow I'll do a video, and thanks for watching. I'll just